Hey guys, I know I haven't been here in a while and I'm sorry. And I'm sorry I'm making this on my webcam, but Charlie, I just got a text, oh well. Charlie is my actual camera. Have I introduced you to Charlie? Probably not. He's the actual good IntelliZoom that I use a lot more than this. But he's charging right now and I really needed to make this video, so I'm just making it now. So I was going to make a video on Thursday, like I'm supposed to. And then I went with some friends to go see the Avengers movie, which, by the way, was so good. It was so good. There was so much action and fighting and comedy, and Loki is the best villain ever. Our group dressed up like characters for the show, even though it's been out here for like a week and we were the only ones. But in our group we had a Black Widow, Tony Stark, Thor, Captain America, Loki. I was Pepper Potts. It's just so much fun. And yeah, I was going to make a video either waiting in line before the movie or right after the movie of all our reactions. I forgot while we were at the theater, and then when we got back to my friend's house, all the boys wanted to do was play with fire. So this was all the footage I got of that night.
What's happening?
Your jerk might have negated part.
But there's a lot of it on this.
Oh my god.
Okay.
What's happening?
This is true.
It's spraying things!
It's all over my head.
And now
It's sprayed everywhere.
Because you shook.
It sprayed it at me.
I'm sorry.
That was really scary.
And then Friday night, I had my school's end of the year performing arts banquet, where I had to dress up like my friend Stephanie for this roast thing so I could make fun of her. And I looked quite scary. That was fun. And then yesterday, Saturday, I went with Stephanie and her family to an IKEA furniture store.
Where are we? We are in a strange magical magazine land.
Which was a very interesting trip.
An adventure inside a magazine.
You're shorter to see.
I'm just filming right
Yes. So we're thinking about getting these tables. Get the actual table. Then it's safer.
This is so funny. Tea. Little tea.
One little cup. Come on. $2.99.
This is just a setup at IKEA.
Yes.
And then this is all one setup.
Have you ever been to IKEA? Viewers, all 7 of you, or 10 maybe? I don't know, she's not very clear on how many people. However, if you have ever been to IKEA, it's a strange, magical magazine land.
Oh yeah,
That's so cool.
that is cool.
I want this.
Look at these cool table lamps. Do you see? Cool table lamps.
Cool table lamps at IKEA. Yay.
And look at all of those lamps
All
over
of
there.
those lamps, and all of those lamps,
And all of
and all
those
of
lamps.
those lamps. Wall of candles over there. And, oh, those are cool. This will be the strangest
There they are.
video.
They're right there. See? Upstairs.
Oh.
That's what they are.
Alright.
You lying.
Is it strange boxes? Strange boxes.
Chair boxes.
Chair boxes. And we want to go home. I've come down, we want to go home.
Okay. Banana.